Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to take the capturing on a screenshot. When this capturing screenshot can help you. One is execution time. If you take that each step for the screenshot, you can able to see for whether you are providing what expecting condition, whether you are providing as expected or not, or something error missing. Those things you can see, and also some failure time, why it is failed also we can able to see, and we can able to go and fix that particular issue. Okay, this is the advantage we have. Okay, how we can able to take, there are three ways. One is page, which is the open page we can able to take, and full screen. Full screen is nothing but in that bottom also there are some content will be there, that also we can take it, that is called full face screenshot and specific element screenshot. These are the three ways we can do. And also we can able to store into specific location. Okay. These are the three ways we can able to do it. How you can able to do this. Now I'm going to here. Okay. And I have already created one, and this is my URL. Okay. This is my screenshot documentation, which is presented in Playwright. This is complete page taking, and this is the full page, and this is my specific element taking part. Okay, and we'll see for three options. Now I'm going to wait page dot go to, and then I'm going to specify my URL. Okay, await page dot screenshot. Okay, here we can able to see there is a path, and then specifying that file name. Okay, and I'm specifying homepage.png. Okay, png. Now I'm not specifying the specific folder, but I have specified the file name. Okay, where it will come and store, it will see. Okay, now I'm running that this particular specific file. Okay, we can see whether we are able to store that particular file or not. Now it is loading. So it is closed. Okay, if you maximize this one, you can see there is a home page.png. If you click, our file got looks right. Now we can close. Now I want to come store into a specific location where I have stored in this particular location. This is a screenshot. Even you can able to create outside the test or inside the test, wherever you can create the folder. In that particular folder location, I want to store my screenshot. Okay, and I have already created inside a test. There is a screenshot folder. Take the path. This is a relative path. Come back here, and single quotation specify plus concatenation and specify this way, and then a dot cross forward slash, and again you can use for forward slash. Okay, now it will store into in this particular location. Okay, screenshot location. Okay, whether it will come and sit in that particular location or not. Before that, I'll delete this particular file. I don't want. Okay, now again I'm going to run it. Now, once it is completed, we can see inside a screenshot folder that homepage.png file. Now done. Come back here and go to top and see homepage.png. Okay. Now we are able to see, but only one problem here. Next time again I am going to run this one. Okay. Whether it will overlap, we'll see, or it will create for new file. If it is creating new file, then we can able to see there are two files, png files. If it is not created new file, if it is overlap, then we can see for only one particular file. Now only this particular application is taking more time, otherwise See, now still only one. We are not seeing for two. If you refresh and come back, see only one. This is not recommendation, right? In real time, it is not a good practice to do, right? Then how we can able to overlap? And one more concatenate. Here we can use for, there is a date format. Date dot now. This is the function. It will get the date and time, and then it will concatenate remaining name of the file. Okay. Now again I'm going to run now. See, if you run multiple times also without impacting, we can able to see. Now go back and see, it is created one file. Okay, one is 175 homepage.png. Now one more time I will run. Now it is the again Chrome browser. Now see, again created one more page. Right? This is a good practice, right? Now we have seen for specific now complete page. Now I'm going to take a full page. Okay, I'm pasting here the same one without any changing. Okay, go back to our screen. Here there is a full page code. There is in the inside the curly brace there is a comma full page true. Full page true. Come back here and the last paste it. Okay, now we are in full page. Okay, the full page we need to see in the down. There are some names are will be there, right? Inside here there is some links will be there. In that links also we need to see. Okay, go back and here, and there is a third file. See, the links also we are able to see. Correct, and we can change it is a full page. Full page. Okay. And now if you want a specific element to take, then how you can able to take specific element. Okay, same code. Okay, same code. We'll comment this as well here. Now I'm going to take as a specific element.png. Okay, screenshot location is same, but I want which element you want to take it. Now I'll take as a first one. Okay, now if you see, there is a locator called placeholder is a first name. I'll take this entire one. Control F, square braces. Inside that I'm specifying one element is highlighted, and then page is there, right? After page dot locator. In this locator, in the single quotation, I'm specifying a value. Now this is going to take for specific element to screenshot. Okay. Now again I'm running here. Now go back here, and here you can see element page. See, specific element it goes looks right. Now I don't want to specify anything here. I don't want to specify anything, but I'll enter something in a first page or something, but I want to take as a screenshot. Can I able to take the screenshot? Yes, we can take the screenshot of fill. I'll specify Lokesh. How we can able to take? There is a playwright.config.ts file. Open. Okay. Come back down. There is a use. There is a use. Okay. Here you can able to see the trace is on first retry. If something is failed or something it is done, then you can take it. Otherwise, not take. Okay. The same place you can use for screenshot. Okay, once you use the screenshot and the colon and single quotation, you will get for there are three options. One is off, on, only, on, failure. These are the three options you will get. By default, it will be in a off mode. Okay, you have to use for on or failure one. Okay, if it is failed, then you can capture. Otherwise, not capture. Okay, now I'm going to run. It will store for some temporary file location, or sometimes it will store in a result location. Okay, see there is a test dot finish dot one png is there. You can see and page comes. Okay, all the steps it will take one by one. You can see in the last it will take in that Lokesh, the Lokesh. You can see right Lokesh. That moment also it will take and capture. When it is going to finish it, when it is going to finish, that moment it will take. But it will overlap most of the time because it will create right. Sometimes it will give for iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone 3 like this. Keep on, it will continues. Okay. Whenever it is required, you can able to use. When it is fail time you want, you can use for. There is one more option. It is there right. Only on failure. If you use only on failure, whenever the script is failing, that moment it will take. Okay. This is all about for screenshot taking. I hope it this information helped for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share your opinions. Thank you.